On question number 3, we're finding the volume of a pyramid. So our formula for the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times capital B, which stands for the area of the base of a pyramid, times the height. So the base of this pyramid is 15 by 8. So to find that area, I just need to take 15 times 8, or 8 times 15. And that will get me 120. So then I need to look at my volume. And again, that's 1/3 times the 120, which is the base area, times 20, which is the height of the pyramid. So if I take 1/3 times 120 times 20, then I get 800. And my units will be cubic yards. Now, if you wanted to just do this in one step, you could. So you could just do 1/3 times 8 times 15 times 20. So instead of finding the 120 as like a pre-step, you could just have it all in one line if you want to.